It's the MGA Spilts show. Calling splits, calling splits. The meeting of the MGA club will now come to order.
I'll take a medium pizza with marshmallows, macaroni, pepperoni, and pineapple, and peanut butter as well.
I think that he meant that the meeting's about to begin.
Well, that was a waste of my time. That's what I want from Pizza Hut.
First up, we need to... We need to talk about...
Poppy, are you okay?
She has the hiccups.
Hold your breath, Pops.
That won't look. She has to hold her breath and hop on one leg.
Who told you cotton pox that's gonna be the cure? You guys need to...
Maybe standing on your head will do the trick.
Here, Pops, take some water. How you feeling, Pops?
I feel better thanks to you guys.
Yay! Our Poppy's cured.
Bring on the guys.